Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're taking a close look at the 2025 BMW G310 GS, an adventure motorcycle that continues to bring BMW's premium quality to the entry-level ADV segment. If you're looking for a lightweight, versatile, and budget-friendly adventure bike, this one deserves your attention. Let's dive into what makes the 2025 model special, from its design and performance to its pricing and features. The BMW G310 GS has been a favorite among adventure riders who want a compact yet capable bike. The 2025 model sticks to the proven formula but with some refinements that enhance its performance and overall riding experience. At first glance, you can see that BMW has kept the signature GS design language, with its sharp beak-style front fender, tall stance, and rugged build. This year's model comes with updated color options and graphics that give it a fresh, modern appeal. Powering the 2025 G310 GS is the same 313cc, single-cylinder, liquid-cooled engine that has been refined for smoother power delivery. It produces around 34 horsepower at 9,250 revolutions per minute and 28 Nm of torque at 7,500 revolutions per minute. This might not sound like a lot, but thanks to its lightweight chassis and responsive throttle, the bike feels quick and agile. Whether you're cruising on highways or tackling dirt trails, the engine provides enough punch to keep things exciting. Plus, it's equipped with a slipper clutch, making gear shifts smoother and reducing rear-wheel chatter during aggressive downshifts. One of the standout features of the G310 GS is its comfortable and upright riding position. The wide handlebars and well-padded seat ensure that you can ride for long hours without feeling fatigued. With a seat height of 835 mm, it's accessible to most riders, and if you need a lower option, BMW offers an adjustable seat height. The suspension setup consists of an upside-down front fork and a monoshock at the rear, providing a balance between comfort and off-road capability. The 19-inch front wheel and 17-inch rear wheel make it a versatile machine that handles city roads, highways, and light trails with ease. Braking performance comes from a 300 mm disc at the front and a 240 mm disc at the rear, both equipped with BM's dual-channel ABS. For those who like to explore rough terrain, the ABS can be turned off for better control off-road. The bike's 180 mm ground clearance means you won't have to worry much about obstacles on trails, making it a true adventure companion. In terms of technology, BMW has kept things simple yet effective. The 2025 model continues to feature a fully digital instrument cluster that displays all essential information, including speed, RPM, fuel level, and gear position. It may not have a fancy TFT screen like its bigger GS siblings, but it does the job well. The bike also gets LED lighting all around, including a bright LED headlight and LED turn signals, ensuring good visibility in all conditions. One of the biggest selling points of the BMW G310 GS is its fuel efficiency. With a fuel tank capacity of 11 liters, the bike offers a range of around 300 kilometers, depending on riding conditions. This makes it a great option for long rides without frequent fuel stops. Now, let's talk about the price. The 2025 BMW G310 GS is priced at around $6,000 USD. This makes it one of the most affordable adventure bikes from a premium brand like BMW. It's a great choice for beginners stepping into the adventure biking world or experienced riders looking for a reliable and fun second bike. So, who is the G310 GS for? If you're someone who loves exploring both urban streets and off-road trails but doesn't want a heavy or intimidating bike, this is perfect for you. It's a great entry point into the world of adventure riding without breaking the bank. That wraps up our review of the 2025 BMW G310 GS. Let me know in the comments what you think about this bike. Would you pick this over its competitors? If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe for more motorcycle content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.